Hey guys, welcome back to another video with AI Funda. So today we will be learning this rotating wheel presentation. So let's quickly go ahead. Let's start with the blank page. Click on presentation and we will be choosing a landscape video model. So let's go on elements, type quarter, circle frame. So we will be selecting this quarter frame, bring it to the page, duplicate it, and then make the half circle, rotate it, copy it again, rotate it, duplicate the frame again, and then make a proper circle. Adjust the angle and size. Now let's click on the images that we want to add inside the frame. So firstly, I'll go with Dubai. So I really liked this image. I'll quickly copy paste it. Now let's go with another city, New York. Scroll down, look for high quality images. I think this one looks perfect. Now let's go with Tokyo. Let's scroll down. This Mount Fuji image, this looks quite nice. Let's quickly add it in the frame. Now the last city will be Sydney, Australia. So yeah, the same process. Now let's create a group of all these frames and zoom in the image on which we want to create our first slide. And don't forget this step because this will be deciding your further slides. Zoom in and adjust the angle. Now I'll be changing the background color, and these are some recommendations according to the image that we have selected. Add a circle shape to the image. Drop it on the left corner, zoom it in, and change the background color to green. Now let's add a text, Dubai. I'll change the size and the font to Anton. Great. Let's adjust it and add some description. Change the font. This looks perfect. Great. Now let's duplicate this page. Come on the second page. Now click on the frame and rotate the circle that we created earlier. And change the background color. The same process, we changed the city name and the description. Duplicate this page now. Come on the third page. Rotate the circle again. Perfect. I'll just adjust the image. Change the text to Tokyo. Alright. Let's change the background color according to the image. I think this looks perfect. Duplicate this page. Come on the last page. We'll quickly change the image by rotating the circle. Here comes the fourth city, New York. I'll change the name as well as the description, changing the background color now. The gray color completely matches with my image. So this was the step-by-step presentation. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and let me know in the comments what do you want me to create next.